that from their own house, because even before the person starts, directly what they're touching it. Even before you name what it can be, it sticks to their brain. And this is a gummy bear. So like what she said, I can use it to stick to their brain. You can also use it to illustration because there are lines there, right? There are shapes there as well. There's everywhere. And this one was what I said I can see item. They didn't know it. And this one short out. This is what I want.
There is no other branch of the NSE like Ikeja Branch. Is the 32nd branch of the NSE. Is a branch to match. Building a viable engineering culture dedicated to bring out the best and to nurture the best of the best. The second to none is Ikeja Branch. The best of the best. The second to none is Ikeja Branch. With God on our side, will be no fair and wide. Where the branch to watch. With wisdom we will lead, and discretion we will build, will be known for certain. Together we will make a great nation proud. Innovations and professionalism all around. The best of the best, the second to none is the